Hey, morning, morning. How is everyone's morning? Good, great to hear that. So last night, let me just go. We are already on a stream. I was trying to, get on it before we start. I had to reduce the size. I have connection issues, so I had to reduce the quality of the stream. It's not like it's top notch, but I had to reduce it anyway. So what I wanted to say, guys, is last night I made my list for Palantir, DraftKings, Sono, Docs, NCLH, and DAL for long, MU and AMAT for short. But I haven't checked them this morning yet to see that what they have done after 9. We are going to check them now to see that who is who and who is in the zoo. Well, Palantir. First of all, Palantir doesn't look like to be long anymore with the gap down, but may just rip to the upside. I'm just gonna set. Sorry, I'm gonna set my. DraftKings huge gap down. DraftKings goes to the short list. Sonos was on the long list, and there you go. You get a gap up. Well, you know, guys, that I'm not a fan of stocks that they gap and rip, so I might not touch this Sonos today. Doku has potential. Docs. Well, what is Docs? The company is called Doximity. Doximity. I've never heard it. It's the first time I see the company. This Doximity, as in for time frame continuity, it's long. So anything above the freaking yesterday's close and pre-market high is a good place to go long off of. 30 cents from here. The daily ATR is $6. Nice. Yeah. NCLH. NCLH for. I was looking at CCL. Based on what I see on CCL, it's just 2-2 continuation. I'm removing from the list. DAL, the same. I was hoping for a 1-2-2 reversal, bullish reversal, but it also will be removed from the list. MU stands in the short list. A good one. And AMAT, the same. AMAT also stays in a short list. And now DraftKings obviously lower than pre-market. Spotify. It's a 2-2 rev, but yeah, it's a good. It looks like a good short. Are you getting these picks from the other strat group? I'm just curious. Yeah. Looks like, because it looks like so much like his setups, you know. It so look like his setups, and he loves this kind of stuff. Like at the bottom, 2-2 rev to the downside when you're very close to the low. Yeah, he loves this sort of stuff. No, Alex love, but the only thing is that I don't like the price point. If you want to trade something that is $200 something, try Moderna. It's like it's $200 something, but that bastard is just $30 something of ATR. All right. So hold on, guys. I'll be back in a second. Hold on. Hold on. My apologies. I got someone knocking at the door to bring something, but it was time impossible. Okay. Let's have a music playing in the background. Did I miss something? Anyone else? Brent? Now, your list, your opinion, what you're following, what you're looking at. AMD. Oh, I actually forgot that we had a run on AMD on freaking Friday. AMD. The massive drawdown from 122 back to 110. $12. I'm not a fan of that one. And then we had the week after that, we had a push down, and we got the candle close in red. This could become a easy inside bar to break to the upside, and today can do that. But yeah, it's holding. I mean, it's holding power hour highs. It's at the power hour high, and we haven't reached to the. Yeah, why not? Maybe it's good for long though. If it's good long, if it goes long, it's a PMG to back to the 120s. You have potential to go that high. At the moment, ATR is 466. I remember making fun of AMD for being so slow when it was 89 or 90 cents of ATR. Look at it now. Yeah, I would just add it to the watch list to just look at it. Okay. Let me disconnect pre-market from the chart. So for you, it would be the AMD and NIO. NIO. NIO, you say NIO? $2 gap down, man. I don't know. 41 and yeah. I always need to remember there is a reason that gap forms on the chart. If there is a lack of price, like the way that it is between yesterday's pre-market close, after hours close, and today's pre-market open. It is almost 40.96 and 40.23. This is a real gap. Like, there is no price in this range. It doesn't exist. A market gonna go and fill this thing up. But the rest, when there is market movement and there are candles forming, like, it's pretty active today. So it may even keep going. But I forgot to say something. Football, the soccer, that American call it, or football as we know it, is being designed for 11 people. You cannot play football when there are 200 people in the field, right? The stocks that we need to play, if they are too crowded, then our strategies start to lose their accuracy. They should be somehow right on point. They should be accurate when the proper number of players, proper volume. Like today we get 2.5 million so far in pre-market volume on NIO. That's pretty huge. MU doesn't get volume. AMAT doesn't get volume. DraftKings doesn't. AMD 388,000, Docs, no, Palantir 600,000. So the best one is actually that you just mentioned is Neo. But